Have you ever imagined seeing your digital world in true volume? Introducing the Owl3D Shift. A display engineered to shift your reality. Your everyday videos gain cinematic depth instantly. Just drag the content over and start watching in 3D. Our spatial display technology brings the experience of a 3D theater to all your content. With the Shift, memories look so real, you could touch them. Even web browsing is an experience. Packing 24 million pixels into an ultra-dense lenticular display, the Shift becomes a perfect hologram box. Objects appear in clear volume, as if physically there. See them naturally, with no glasses required. Experience the presence of your design before bringing it to life. Or get closer to your favorite characters than ever before. The Shift is your new canvas. The possibilities for new spatial experiences are endless. This technology is the result of years of development. Led by engineers from Apple and Meta, we believe that true immersion shouldn't be complicated. It should just work. Stop looking at your screen. Start looking into it. Owl3D Shift. Shift your reality.